saliva or something might touch the board or the gears and it will not work. So most of the time the drifting is caused by too much pressure on either side on the gears. When you press it too much or it has been used too much, sometimes it causes drifting, and sometimes it's dust. Yes, dust can also cause that, to press it down or side or anything like that, dust. And then sometimes anything liquid or anything can cause that. When you do this troubleshooting and it doesn't work, that means you really need to change the gears, in which you might need a soldering iron and some leads to change the board. I believe if you change the board and you don't really touch the board too much, it will work. If you discharge yourself from static and you touch the board, it will work. You see here, I was blowing the air into the board, onto the gear side, not the board actually, but onto where the gears are, because I try to rotate the gears 360, 90, 180, and then I blow the air to release the dust or any particles that has gone in there. Because when I was testing the gears like this, you can see that it was moving. You see the white one in the middle of the green, it was moving right. All of them were moving right. If one side is not moving, that means the other side is broken. You need to replace it, the whole gear. But all of them was moving. That means there's something that was stuck or dust or anything can happen in there, or liquid or anything. So I was just blowing it. You see, this is the back. You have to, if you want to change the gear, that's the back where the leads are for you to solder and then replace the gears. But today I was just trying to troubleshoot it without replacing any gear. So with this, I just have to continue with the 360 and the press to release every particle in there. Then I'll blow it. As I said, I didn't go with my micro pressure blower. It has a small nozzle that I put in there, and then it will just blow all of them out, anything that is in there. Sometimes too, the plastics can break and lock in there, so it is very important mostly to troubleshoot it before you conclude by changing the gears. If you troubleshoot